7 in December. I've had him for his entire working life. He started at 3. So he's super friendly, super sociable, which is great for me. Back. Greatest nose right for narcotics. He loves doing it detection-wise. So we'll kind of show that, and then you guys can pet him after. So when we train their dogs, they're obedient to odor, right? They want this. This is the biggest reward of payment. So for him, he's not going to leave that because he knows, hey, I'm going to get the ball at some point. And so the stare is what indicates to us, like, hey, he's found something. He's alerted. Even if he didn't see this bag, which he didn't see it the first time when he was walking, he's going to find it because their noses are so great.
Are mainly male dogs, or are there female dogs?
There are females, but specific to apprehension, mostly they're all males. It's just because their body stature is bigger, and they can work a little bit longer in that capacity.